In this video I'm going to show you the benefits of okra water. Okra is a flowering plant also known as lady's finger and is highly prized because of its seed pods. Okra is also a firm favourite to add in a vegetable dish, and many people around the world include okra in their dishes. Because of its unique taste and texture, it tends not to be popular with children. Okra has a wide range of health benefits, but most of the health benefits are due to the minerals, vitamins and organic compounds found in its vegetables. Okra has high nutritional value because it is rich in vitamin A, B, C, E and K, as well as calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron and zinc. Furthermore, okra contains a high level of fibre. One of the best ways to consume all the nutrients of okra is to soak it with clean water overnight and then in the morning eat the okra and drink the water at the same time. With this simple remedy you will naturally boost your overall health and you will earn these amazing health benefits. Diabetes. Many people with diabetes have reported decreasing blood sugar levels after soaking cut up okra pieces in water overnight and then drinking the juice in the morning. Whilst in Turkey, roasted okra seeds have been used as a traditional diabetes medicine for generations. So what's behind this? The superior insoluble fibre contained in okra is believed to help stabilise blood glucose by slowing the rate in which sugar is absorbed through the intestinal tract. Weight loss. Okra is packed with dietary fibre which makes you feel full for longer. Okra also falls in the category of low-calorie veggies and contains no saturated fats. This makes okra a perfect addition to the diet of a Weight Watcher. Include okra in your diet and add flavours to your meal while maintaining a low calorie count which helps to manage weight. Digestive health. Perhaps the best part of adding okra to your diet is the significant increase it can have on your total fibre intake. Fibre like you find in okra can help move food through your digestive tract by adding bulk. This means that bowel movements are more regular and there is a reduction in the gastrointestinal issues such as bloating, cramping, constipation and excess gas. Oddly, it also helps prevent diarrhea because it adds bulk to watery stools. Finally, fibre can help to clear out excess cholesterol in the body. Kidney stone and kidney function. If you eat okra, there might be a slightly increase of kidney stones if your body makes stones of the calcium oxalate type. Like many vegetables though, okra is high in oxalates. On the other hand, a Chinese study showed that eating okra improved kidney function in people with diabetes. So the jury is still out on this. The immune system. There are various antioxidant components of okra that make it very beneficial to fight off free radicals, but the high vitamin C content also means that the general immune system is boosted. Vitamin C can stimulate the immune system to create more white blood cells, which can combat the other foreign pathogens and materials in the body that can compromise the immune system. Hair. Okra is rich in all sorts of healthy things that can make your hair happy. Rich in vitamins A, C and K, as well as other minerals like magnesium and folate. The seeds are especially good. The protein in oil contained in the seeds serves as a source of first-rate vegetable protein. It is enriched with amino acids like tryptophan, cysteine and other sulfur amino acids. All of these nutrients work together to create a hair cure-all that covers a range of concerns. It is usually used as a hair gel since it offers great definition to curls and can offer a long-lasting hold without crunchiness. Blood pressure and heart health. Okra is a good source of both vitamins and minerals including potassium, which is an essential aspect of human health. Potassium is necessary to maintain proper fluid balance in the body because it balances sodium. Furthermore, potassium helps to relax the blood vessels in arteries, which therefore reduces blood pressure and lessens the strain on the cardiovascular system. This means that clotting will be greatly reduced. Eye booster. Okra contains a high content of vitamin A, as well as antioxidant components like beta-carotene, exothine and lutein. Antioxidants are powerful compounds that destroy or neutralize free radicals, which are the dangerous byproducts of cellular metabolism. Free radicals are responsible for the degradation of the cells in the body, including those responsible for vision. With high levels of okra in your diet, you will have more protection for your sight, including macular degeneration and cataracts. And finally, skin health. Vitamin A antioxidants are also able to protect skin health by promoting quicker healing, reducing the appearance of scars and acne, and eliminating wrinkles. This is because the antioxidants are able to neutralize the free radicals, which may cause damage to those skin cells. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the health benefits of okra, and if you have, please give this video the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, you're going to like the next video on the health benefits of dates. Thanks for watching and bye for now.